Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another crochet hair video. I can already tell you that I am in love with this hair. Like, ooh, y'all, this is like an amazing find that I just had to share with you guys. I'm gonna go into the whole video, tell you guys about this hair, where you can find it, all the things. But before I do that, I want to thank my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the family. My name is Charlene, for those of you who don't know. Those of you who've been around for a while, I thank you as always for coming back. Let's get into the video. So this hair, I was contacted by the company. They're a shop on Amazon, and they asked if I wanted to try out the hair. So they graciously sent me the hair, and I will tell you all the details. They offer a wide variety of hair. You can shop their store and get wigs. You can get all types of extensions. And so when they sent me this specifically, and I will tell you that at first I was not in love with it. I will tell you why. These are the spring twist crochet braids, and these are 8 inches. These are 8 inches long. Well, that's what I thought. As you can see probably from the volume, from the length, it is not 8 inches, and I'm really happy about that. Whenever you get the hair, you get a bag, and I'll put some of the visuals on the screen for you guys. You get the hair in a bag, and you get 6 packs in the bundle. Each pack has about 15 strands, and it looks like that. In the bag, it definitely looks about 8 inches long for sure. This is what the original hair looked like. I will insert clips of the install and highlights and whatnot. And so when I first started, as you can see here, they look like this. To me, it looked very artificial. So I decided to separate it, and you will see in the video. So when you stretch the hair, it actually goes forever and a day. So it's really, really stretchy, and 8 inches become extremely long. And this is it in half, okay? So as you can tell, it has serious bounce, which is really good. I love the color that I chose because I just felt like it was kind of like fitting the fall vibe, and I really liked it. So in the pack, they also send you a free crochet needle. They send some hair clips along with it, which is very cool. And you also get these, which are like to decorate the hair, which I do not need. I basically had to stretch the hair out like this. That kind of loosens it up, and I separated it to what you see on screen today. So I think my main concern was that it would get tangled, but y'all, the bounce is so real and so pretty. I just love it. I love it. I'm in love. I have not told you guys the best part. The bundle of 6 packs only costs you $19.99. And to add to it, you sometimes can get a coupon code that you can apply to your purchase. So, I mean, it is really, really and truly a great deal. I love wearing crochet hair. I love to. It's easy, it's inexpensive. So you pay about $3.33 per pack, and again, you get 6. You guys are probably wondering how many packs did I use. Out of the 6 packs, I ended up using 5 of these. Again, each pack has about 15 strands, and after 2 packs, it seemed really full, but it was kind of misleading. Although my braid, the way I braided my hair, was pretty big, I ended up using 5 packs with a few strands extra left over. So like I said, this is the original pattern, and when I stretch it out and separate it, you have this, which is what I have currently. I still wanted some of that curl pattern, so I did not fluff it out too much, but it's nice. It's lightweight, it's fun, it's playful, it is just beautiful. Make sure that you guys check them out on Amazon. Like I said, they have many options for you all, so it's not just these. You can see all the options that they have available at really great prices. So I want to thank Zhang Rose for reaching out to me at the Youngther store, and yeah, just giving me the opportunity to try this, and I really truly like it. Even without having received the hair for free, I definitely would buy it on my own, just because of the price point and how beautiful it is. So if you're into crochet, you're into synthetic hair, you're into extensions, check them out. All the link will be down in the description box, and if you guys want more details on this, I will also put the store where I got this. I truly believe in buying local, so I got this at Essential Thrills here in Little Rock, Arkansas, and they have some really cool stuff that you guys can check out. So if you want to get the details on this kimono, check them out as well. So all the details will be in the description box. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.